Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. When you're watching this, you're watching us do our video now. That's my channel.
Yes, so this is a bonus video for my eldest mighty monster.
Yeah, I'm the oldest mighty monster, and I just did it a minute ago.
Yep, so you just watched part 1 really, and this is going to be part 2 to celebrate good grades. It's a double bonus video.
Video? Can I open it?
Yeah, of course you can. Who is it?
Cat Noir.
Are you happy about that?
Now it's time to get you out the box.
Before so Queen Bee, Vesper is there. Yes. Hang on. Let's have a look at the Cat Noir. See how excited.
I tried to get it.
So this is the original Cat Noir. As you can see from the box, it's the old school version. It shows you the 5 different dolls you can get. I like Cat Noir. Cat Noir is quite cool. He is my homie.
He has the belt and the ring of the Miraculous.
I guess that's French. Cat Noir. So, should we open this one up?
Cat Noir.
Should we open this one up?
Yeah.
So let's open up the poster, and just to show, it's folded into a different way. But I think, is that the same one?
Look on the back.
It's the same one, isn't it?
It's not. It shows you different things.
Okay, right. Let's open up Cat Noir. Let's get him out of the box.
Oh, well,
Let me just say, before I hand this over to my mighty monster, this one feels a lot more bulky, if you get what I mean. It feels like a bigger doll. Anyway, I shall hand you over.
Let me see if it's the same size as my other one.
I think Cat Noir's a bit taller, isn't he? Have a look.
Yeah, because of his boots.
Yeah, he's got nice boots though, hasn't he?
Yeah, because they make a pattern.
Right, you're going to explain to us what Cat Noir does then?
He holds this and sometimes like spins it around. They spin this around. And his belt has the tail attached and it might come off, I think. Does it come off?
It comes off. We're going to leave it on.
I want to leave it on. And he has a belt that we can't take off because it's attached to his suit. And his Miraculous is tiny. And it's just not moving off.
No, so his is a ring, isn't it? It's Miraculous.
Yeah.
It's in a ring.
And what is that?
It's part of his costume. And this is a miniature plague. Miniature plague. Look at his face. Doesn't look that well painted,
He
that one, but...
looks babyish. And these two, like my daddy just said, he looks kind of babyish. So I'm gonna name him he's a baby one, so I'm gonna name him Plaggy.
So he's baby plague, is he?
Yeah.
That's cool.
And his eyes look kind of difficult.
They look different?
Yeah.
Why do his eyes look different? Why?
Because they have lines, not the other one didn't.
That's true. He does look quite... He looks... I do like his hair, that his hair doesn't move. I'm more of an Action Man person than a Barbie, to be fair.
Hey.
Yeah, so he's got big boots. That is Cat Noir.
Can you attach this to him?
This is his stick that he uses to push back the baddies, I think. Is that right?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes.
So now, when he needs a walking stick, he can use this when he's old. Ah, how did he put that to the ground?
Okay, there you go. I don't think he will reach the floor. No, he won't stand up. It's okay.
Can't sit on his bottom. Oh. Hey. Hold that. Hey. Hey, what your body? Keep it in your head. Oh, thank you for watching the next video and peace out. Bye. Daddy, you say yours.
No, it's your video. Your channel.
What?